Hey guys, so in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to play We Are the Champions by Queen. Now this is going to be an easy piano tutorial, so I've simplified the arrangement and I'm going to be teaching you how to play the verse and the chorus. At the end of the tutorial we have the play-along feature, so I play the full song from start to finish, so if you want to know what the tutorial is going to sound like, you can skip along to that now. Or alternatively, you can learn all the parts with me first and then play along with me at the end. Now before we get started, just wanted to let you guys know that I have a Facebook page and I've also just started an Instagram page as well. So be sure to follow both of those and you can let me know there which tutorials you'd like to see next. Okay, so we are going to start with the verse part 1. I'm going to play it through first and then we'll take a closer look at it. So we're going to start with the right hand melody. We play G, B flat, C, C. And then we repeat that. Next we play G, B flat, C, C, C. And then we finish by playing G, G, D, C, B flat, C. So I'm going to go through all of that now. And that is how you play the right hand. The left hand is going to be playing two chords. Our first chord is a C minor chord. So the notes that we have are C, E flat, and G. And then we play a G minor chord. So the notes to a G minor chord are G, B flat, and D. And we're going to be playing those two chords 4 times. So we go from C minor to G minor, C minor to G minor, back again to C minor, G minor, and then for the 4th time, C minor and G minor. So now we're going to put both hands together and I'm going to be playing them together very slowly. And that is how you play the first part of the verse. Now we're going to move on to the second part. I'm going to play it through first and then we'll take a closer look. Okay, so the right hand starts by playing B flat, D, E flat, E flat. And then we repeat that. And whilst we're playing that with the right hand, the left hand starts by playing an E flat major chord. So we have the notes E flat, G, and B flat. And then we have an A flat major chord. So the notes to an A flat major chord are actually A flat, C, and E flat. But instead of playing the A flat down here, we're going to be playing the A flat up here instead. And this is called an inversion. And it means that once we've played this E flat major chord, we don't have to jump all the way down here. Instead, we can just play it like this instead. So I'll do that again. We've got E flat major, and then we have A flat major, C, E flat and A flat. So we play these chords twice. So we go from E flat major, A flat major, and then we go back to the E flat major, and then back to the A flat major. So I know this is a little bit confusing, so what I'm going to do is play it with the right hand, and I'm going to do that very slowly. Next, continuing on with the right hand, we play B flat, D, E flat, E flat, E flat, F, F, G, 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 A, B flat, B flat. I'll do that again. The chords for the left hand are E flat major, then we play the notes to an F major chord, so that's C, F and A, and then we play B flat major, B flat, D and F. So E flat major, F major, and B flat major. So I'm going to combine both hands now. Okay, just a few tips to combine both hands. When we play this F chord, we play it as soon as we play the A on the right hand, and we play the B flat major chord as soon as we play the B flat for the second time. So I'm going to go through that again. So the F major chord is played when we play the A with the right hand, and the B flat major chord is played when we play the B for the second time with the right hand. But let me go through that again. Next, with the right hand, we play C, B flat, C, B flat, C, B flat, C. And with the left hand, we play a B flat major chord. So we have the notes B flat, D and F. And then we play a C major chord, C, E and G. So we go from B flat to C. And then that is going to lead into the chorus. Okay, so now I'm going to go through the whole of the second part. I'm going to have the notes written at the top for you, and I'm going to go through it very slowly. And that's how you play the second part of the verse. Okay, we'll stop here. For the melody, we play F, E, F, E, C, A, D, A. Then we play C, F, G, A, C, A, D, E, D. Go through that again. The left hand starts by playing an F major chord for 2 counts, so that's C, F and A. And then we play A minor for 2 counts, A, C, A. Then we play D minor, that's A, D and F, also for 2 counts. And then we play the B flat major chord for 1 count, B flat, D and F, and then C major, also for 1 count. So I'm going to go through all of that and I'll also count you through that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, we play F major again, A minor again, B flat major again, but this time we're going to be playing a D major inversion, so that's A, D and F sharp. These are the notes to a D major chord. So I'll do that again. All of these chords are going to be played for 2 counts this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And those are the chords, so we will combine both hands. And that's how you play the first part. Moving on to the second part of the chorus. So let's start with the melody. We play D, C, D, C, B flat. Then we jump to this B flat, B flat, A, B flat, A, G. Then we play A, F, B flat, A, F, B flat, A flat, F, B flat, A flat, F, and then we finish by playing E flat, C, F. that's how you play the right hand. So the left hand starts by playing a G minor chord, and we play this for 4 counts. And then we have B flat major, which we also play for 4 counts. And then the next chords are going to be played for 2 counts. So we have F major, G minor, A flat major, B flat major, C minor, and then we finish on the F major chord. So let me go through all of that. I'm going to count you through that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we finish on the F chord. So this section is a little bit more tricky just because we have a lot of chords. So what I'm going to do now is combine the left hand part and the right hand part for the second part of the chorus, and I'm going to do that slowly. So that is the end of the tutorial, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, then be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more piano tutorials. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page and my Instagram. Go ahead and follow, and you can let me know which tutorial you'd like to see next on there, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!